The iPhone 17 Pro Max is one of the best devices that Apple has ever put out. That's because iPhones have been perfected for a little while. But I do think there are 5 reasons why you need to get the iPhone 17 Pro Max today, because this phone is absolutely phenomenal and there is no way around it. It is so good. So here's the 5 reasons you need to get one today. First one is this: the battery life on this phone is absolutely wild. I mean, I'm talking like all day, all night use, no matter what, I still have battery left over. When I use this phone all day, I probably have about 35 to 40% left after a full day's worth of use. And then when you top it off, you just plug it right in. The fast charging on this thing is absolutely wild. I think when it comes to using this phone every single day, I mean, the screen is just incredible. One of the cool things about the screen on this guy is that when you're using it, the screen has the ability to go all the way down to 1 hertz, which is actually incredible because at that 1 hertz, it's saving you a ton of battery life. And then when you're using the phone, it goes, as you can see, it's super smooth. It's probably not super smooth on the camera, but it is a super smooth phone in person to my eyes. And so it's really awesome that the phone's gonna perform when you need it to perform, but it's also gonna save you battery when you need it to save you battery. Second great thing about this phone is that you can use it to start your content creation journey. I have used my phone so many different times where I have filmed something and then I just airdrop it to my Mac. Like I can, I know somebody who runs an entire channel off of an iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's amazing that the cameras in the 17 Pro Max are good enough now that if you're somebody that you want to start this journey of content creation, these cameras have enough megapixels and they're like high quality enough to actually be useful. In fact, what's interesting with that person who runs their whole channel off of their iPhone, they're getting more views than I am. And part of me, like, I've got thousands and thousands of dollars worth of camera. Like you can see, I've got a camera back here. I've got a camera right here with this guy to do that shot. I've got my overhead camera, all of that. I've spent a lot of money on cameras, and yet somebody who's just working with an iPhone is getting more views. So it really is just an incredible time where social media is at today, where you don't need to be a multi-million-dollar, production house. You can just be a person who's got a phone, plug in a nice mic if you want to do that, and it's really great. Now, if you want to get better at your content creation, you're going to need a good case for your phone to help you out. That leads me to today's sponsor, Taurus. Thank you, Taurus, for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you're anything like me, you just got your iPhone 17 Pro Max and you are worried that you spent your hard-earned money on a device that might break. Well, here's the cool thing about this TORRAS Air Q3 is the fact that it has airbags on the side, so when you hit your phone on the ground, it is not going to shatter. As you can see, these airbags are really, really durable, so anytime you drop your phone, it is not going to shatter on you. Now, I've had this on my phone for about a week now, and it has already saved me 3 or 4 times. And then what's awesome is this hinge is just incredibly high quality. Like, look at this thing. It is a absolute tank. It is not gonna break on you randomly, and it's just great that it does that full 360 spin. And you can put your phone down horizontally like this, or you can hold it up vertically. And what's great is you can get a ton of different angles on this guy, so when you're filming, you can get any angle you need. And what's really great for creators is the fact that you don't need somebody else around with you to film because of that magnetic ring in the back. And so because it's magnetic, you can put it on different things and film yourself. So sometimes I'll throw this on my squat rack and film myself, and it works great. So if you're a content creator who needs a case that's going to help you film and get all of your content easy and it's gonna be smooth and high quality, then I think this case is definitely for you. And then if you're somebody who vlogs a lot, this case is amazing that it's got such great grip on the side so that when you are, vlogging and filming yourself, you're not gonna drop your phone. And keep an eye out for Taurus's Glow Day that's coming up on January 28th, so it's right around the corner. So the TORRAS Q3 Air is perfect for anyone who wants to free up your hands to create. Thank you, Taurus, for sponsoring today's video. Let's jump back into it. The next big thing that we need to talk about is the fact that if you are going to get an iPhone 17 Pro Max, the reason you want to buy one today is the fact that the photos are so incredible for your family. Now, I use this all the time. I've said it in a few different videos, so sorry if you've been watching this and it's on repeat, but this right here is an amazing, amazing use case to be able to do, like, every time I'm out with my family, I always am the one taking the selfies of my family, and it's so cool to be able to hit that button and get a full landscape mode because the 12 megapixel camera on the front, I think it's 12 or 20 now, on the front, it is able to do open gate. And so you can get a full size camera shot just holding your phone. Let me go back to this. You can hold your phone like this and get a full size camera shot instead of getting a upright vertical thing. That's super cool to me. Now you're right, that's not specific to the 17 Pro Max. However, with the battery life, all the computational photography in this thing, and the vapor chamber in it, your phone's not gonna overheat while you're taking a bunch of pictures of your family and doing a bunch of stuff with the video camera. So I just think if you're somebody who really, really values good family photos, and I certainly do. I mean, look, I've got printers that I buy, and I review them on another channel, but I got printers that I buy because I love taking photos of my family and printing out the memories so that I can keep them forever. The next big reason you need to make sure that you get an iPhone 17 Pro Max is actually for the future version of you that wants to get a lot of value. I wanna show you this right now. When I went to, go turn in or sell my 16 Pro Max, granted my 16 Pro Max, I shattered the screen like 2 days before I got the 17 Pro Max. Very frustrating situation. However, look at this. These 16 Pro Max on eBay are still selling for $700, $650, $800. They're still selling for a great price. And so one of the cool things about Apple products is the fact that their value holds on the aftermarket. And so if you're gonna buy this, use it for 2 or 3 years, it's still gonna be worth like $800 in 2 years, and you can put that $800 toward an upgrade of the new one. That's a major reason for me why buying Apple products is so helpful, because whenever you're going to inevitably want to upgrade like everybody else does, instead of paying the full price for this, a new phone, you're gonna be paying the price that you need to pay for, only like a fraction of the price of one of these guys, because you got to be able to sell it on a resale. Also, Apple's buyback program is wild. I turned in, what was it? I turned in the M4 iPad Pro to get the M5 iPad Pro, and they gave me like $800 or something like that. Now, that's not as much as I would get on the aftermarket. However, it's way easier. And so as somebody who reviews tech products, I would way rather just, hey, I already have gotten sponsors on these things. I want to turn it into Apple so they can resell it, rather than getting some weirdo on the street who comes over to my house. Like that's a weird feeling. It's strange. And so I think if you're somebody who wants to upgrade regularly, maybe every 3 years, 2 or 3 years, having an Apple product is helpful because the aftermarket value is so much higher than anything else. And the last reason you need to get yourself an iPhone 17 Pro Max is this: the fact that in the ecosystem, you can get so much more done. I'm telling you, the fact that this thing has such a great battery life, the fact that it is so powerful, you can get so much work done on it. I love that on the iPhone you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard and you can get emails done and put it in landscape mode if you want. You can use today's sponsor, TORRAS, to put it in a sideways mode. That's super cool that you can do all those different things. Plus, vapor chamber in it, it's never gonna overheat and slow you down. So all the work you wanna do, say you're gonna video edit on your phone. I know that sounds ridiculous to some people, but there are a lot of people who are trying to start their social media career, and they're using Instagram and TikTok, and they don't want to take footage from a camera onto a computer. They just want to shoot it on their phone, edit it on their phone, and post it on their phone. You can do all of that with the 17 Pro Max. It's really helpful to have the full-size screen on the iPhone, and so I think just this device overall is absolutely phenomenal, and I really hope for you that you would pick one up if you need. Obviously don't upgrade if you don't need to upgrade, but if you're considering it, as opposed to, maybe a Samsung device, one of the folding devices, all that, those things you can get great work done on. They're bigger screens, it's the size of an iPad. However, being in the Apple ecosystem and just the quality of Apple apps and Mac apps, to me, I just get more done when I'm on Mac or on Windows or on Apple than I am, not when I'm on Windows, when I'm on Apple, as opposed to when I'm on something like Windows and there's just so many crashes and so many problems and just things you need to tweak. I don't have to do that with Apple products. They just work, so you're gonna get more done. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. Obviously, this is a pretty down-to-earth video. Reasons why I think you should get a 17 Pro Max. Don't get it if you have a 16 Pro Max, right? That thing still rips. It's awesome. Maybe if you have like a 13 Pro Max or a 14 Pro Max, maybe it's time to consider upgrading. But like this video if you found it helpful. Sub to the channel. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next one.